Now, I want to answer the questions or clarification which Honorable Member Rahul Gandhi ji has asked. Now, I just want to highlight, Madam, yes, due to, I spoke for a long time, I thank every member of the House for the indulgence that they've given me, because it meant a lot. I needed to answer on every facts. I could have elaborated a lot more on offsets. I shall do that now because that has been raised as a question. The offset contract, Madam, under the Rafale agreement, are governed by offset guidelines of the Defense Procurement Policy of 2013. That policy is not made by us. That policy was already given to us as a result of the policy we framed in UPA. Now, as per the offset guidelines, the Defense Acquisition Council may prescribe varying offset obligations. It could be 30%, it could be 40%, it could be 50% in special cases. Accordingly, an offset obligation of 50% was prescribed for the Rafale. Not 30. We didn't stop it at that. We said 50%. If we buy for 100 rupees, 50 rupees worth you have to either procure from India or invest in India, and therefore then come and claim the credit. Now, I want to tell you, Madam, 2 offset contracts were signed, one with Messrs. Dassault Aviation and another with MBDA on 23rd September 2016. The same day on which the intergovernmental agreement was signed between Government of India and Government of France for the procurement of the 36 Rafale in flyaway condition. Now, I also want to say here that the offset obligation can be fulfilled, and their commercial decisions which these original equipment manufacturers can make, the government does not go and put it as a part of the intergovernmental agreement at all as to who they should go with, who they should not go. 100 companies, 200 companies, they decide. The government does not. Then they have to give reports to the ministry to say, this is where we've invested, or these are the products we've bought from those companies, and claim offset obligation fulfillment ka credit. Because without that, if they don't claim, we can always levy penalty on them, saying the obligation that you have for investing or buying up to 50% from India, you have not fulfilled, and therefore we lay a penalty. That can be done if they don't come to us. But they have time to come and claim that even now. That is why, in spite of all that is reported in the media, saying they're going with them, they're going with this, don't you know it, don't you know it? Officially, I can state that they're going for offset with so-and-so or so-and-so only when they officially come and claim it from me. Till then, I can't respond on the basis of media report that offset is being fulfilled by this company or that company. That is not something which I can state. So, it is stated here, I want to put this on record, ma'am, that so far as discharging of the offset obligations by OEM and its tier 1 vendors through Indian offset partners is concerned, there is no mention of any private Indian business house or houses in the IGA or offset contract. The offset contract does not envisage manufacture of 36 Rafale aircraft in India by any public or private sector firm. The 36 is coming flyaway condition from France. As per the offset contract, the vendor or the OEM, the original equipment manufacturer is required to confirm the details of IOPs, the Indian offset partners, or products that they're buying, either at the time of seeking offset credits or 1 year prior to the discharge of the offset obligation. So there is time for them to come and claim with me that this is whom with they are going. And therefore, till then, I can't state anything openly based on media reports. The annual offset implementation schedule, as per offset contract, will commence from October 2019. The annual, I repeat because the noise is started again, I repeat it, madam, so that you can hear it. The annual offset implementation schedule as per offset contract will commence from October 2019. The vendor or the OEM is yet to submit a formal proposal in the prescribed manner indicating details of IOPs and products for offset discharge. I would want to underline the share of Dassault Aviation in the total offsets. The share of Dassault Aviation in the total offset is 19.9% only. And there will be many Indian offset partners of Messrs. Dassault Aviation under many avenues. So I want to draw your attention to that. Therefore, I can. I have already explained about the HAL. Now, just one little additional clarification, because all of us are very, very sensitive about our names being taken up. Even if exact quotes are produced, we are very worried about the names being taken. So am I. I was called. That remark is expunged now, I understand. But I was called duty. I'm sorry, unparliamentary it might be. It was. I heard in the milli on that day, Raksha Mantri Nirmala Sitharaman jhoot bol rahi hai. Later on it was expunged. Now, Raksha Mantri is jhoot bol rahi hai. Pradhan Mantri chor hai. Ye bhi is parliament mein bola gaya. Pradhan Mantri jhoote hai. Ye bhi idhar bola gaya, madam. So, if some people have thin skin and they get very sensitive about their names being taken, even I'm sensitive, madam. I don't have a khandan to boast of. I come from ordinary background. I come from a middle class family. I come with my honor intact. Pradhan Mantri ji comes from a very low, poor economic background family. He has come up the hard way. His name is untarnished till today. He is not corrupt. And he has led a clean government. You call them chor? You call them jhoote? And you expect us to sit quiet? And today, because I've quoted conversations from his press conference and his statement in the parliament, my name was taken, so I should be given an opportunity. Even I have my honor intact, madam. Prime Minister has his honor intact, madam. We all want to be respected, madam. We don't have nobody. I'm sorry, madam. I will have to say this. Just because we have Khandan name next to us, it doesn't give any right to anybody to call the Prime Minister a chor. It doesn't give any right to anybody actually to call them jhoote. You did that. And when I stood up to defend myself, your entire party drowned me down that day on the vote of confidence day. Your entire party stood up and drowned me. You didn't ask them to keep quiet that day. Today, when you want clarification, you're asking my respected members to say, listen, allow me to speak. Did you allow the Prime Minister or me to speak that day? You shouted me down. You called me duty. You called me asatya. You said all that. I can't defend myself. Madam, another thing, madam, here. It doesn't, it's not the prerogative of only Khandans to protect themselves, madam. We all come from normal backgrounds, fight our way through the system to be where we are. We have our honor intact. It's not anybody's business to throw us like that. I'm sorry. There was no reprieve. There was no attempt by the Congress leadership to stop the members from calling us like that, from throwing paper aeroplanes at us, from sitting and laughing and heckling at us, from hugging the Prime Minister and going winking there. Did anyone stop them? Hug the Prime Minister and then go wink there? Is this not insulting? Is this not insulting my Prime Minister? Is this not insulting? Ah, yes. When it is your leader, it is wasting time. My honor, the Prime Minister's honor, everything has been insulted in this house. Have you all ever apologized? Have you ever apologized? having winked your eye after having hugged the Prime Minister, having called the Prime Minister a chore, having called the Prime Minister a thief? Have you ever said sorry? I'm sorry, madam. This is not the way. It doesn't give anybody the right. Nobody has the right to call others like that. I may come from a very ordinary background. Prime Minister may come from an ordinary background. Who gives them the right to call us like that? Who gives them the right to call us? I'm sorry, madam. This is not the way this parliament, when I come in, like the way Prime Minister did naman on the floor, all of us feel very honored. No, madam, I would want to take this opportunity.
Please.
All of us feel very honored, coming from ordinary backgrounds, to be in this wonderful house where eminent people have been here. Eminent people have been here. Even some of their own senior leaders. Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, all of them. When we come into this house, we feel very touched that we got the honor of being here. And our reputations are available for you to insult us the way you want to insult,
Please.
and not a word of apology. I'm sorry, madam. This is not the way this house should run. Thank you for this opportunity.
Please, now nothing. No.